Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless vacuums of the year, the ultimate cleaning machines designed to make your home spotless with less effort and more power. Whether you're dealing with pet hair on carpets, dust on hardwood floors, or everyday messes in tight corners, a great cordless vacuum can completely transform your cleaning routine. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top 5 cordless vacuums based on suction power, battery life, versatility, ease of maintenance, and overall value. From budget-friendly models that punch above their price to premium machines packed with smart features, we've got something here for every type of household and lifestyle. You'll find links to all the featured vacuums in the description below, so don't forget to check them out for the latest deals and discounts. Now, let's jump right in and find out which cordless vacuum is the perfect match for your home. Number 5. Bissell CleanView XR. The Bissell CleanView XR cordless vacuum delivers powerful suction, impressive versatility, and smart usability, making it one of the most capable and affordable cordless vacuums in its class. Its motor produces 40% more suction than the Shark Wand Vac, ensuring strong cleaning on both carpets and hard floors, while the 24-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 35 minutes of runtime for both quick cleanups and full sessions. Easily converting from a stick vacuum to a handheld or extended reach tool, it handles floors, furniture, stairs, and high shelves with equal precision, aided by attachments like a crevice tool and dusting brush. Features such as LED headlights, wall-mounted storage, and standalone charging make everyday use highly convenient. Offering a rare balance between power, runtime, and design, the Bissell CleanView XR outperforms many rivals, combining strength, flexibility, and ease of use into a dependable cleaning solution that feels premium without the premium price. Number 4. Tineco Floor 1S7 FlashDry. The Tineco Floor 1S7 FlashDry stands out as a smart, high-performance wet-dry vacuum that transforms household cleaning through advanced technology and precision design. Its balanced pressure water flow system continuously delivers clean water to the brush while collecting dirty water, ensuring spotless, streak-free floors. Operating at 450 cycles per minute and supported by a 158 degrees Fahrenheit FlashDry self-cleaning system, it effectively sanitizes internal components, eliminating bacteria and odor buildup. With smooth power bidirectional propulsion and dual-edge design, it glides effortlessly across all surfaces, even reaching baseboards and corners. The iLoop Smart Sensor System automatically adjusts suction and water flow based on detected dirt, optimizing battery life to an impressive 40 minutes, surpassing most competitors. Maintenance is equally effortless, with automated hot water cleaning and sealed drying keeping the system fresh. By combining intelligence, deep cleaning precision, and hygienic self-care, the Tineco Floor 1S7 FlashDry sets a new benchmark for fast, efficient, and low-maintenance home cleaning. Number 3. Dyson V15S Detect Submarine. The Dyson V15S Detect Submarine revolutionizes home cleaning with its seamless maintenance, intelligent sensors, and exceptional suction power. Its washable wet roller, filter, and fluffy brush bar make upkeep simple and cost-effective, while the hygienic bin ejection system empties dust in one clean motion. The Submarine cleaner head's motorized wet roller removes spills and debris in a single pass, continuously extracting dirty water for streak-free results. The fluffy optic head enhances visibility using laser illumination to reveal hidden dust, and Dyson's digital motor adjusts suction power based on floor type and debris level for maximum efficiency. The LCD display provides real-time updates on performance and battery life, while the vacuum easily converts into a handheld unit with 8 included accessories for versatile use on furniture, stairs, and cars. Durable, lightweight, and intelligently engineered, the V15S Detect Submarine delivers Dyson's signature cleaning excellence with smart usability and effortless maintenance that redefine everyday vacuuming. Number 2. Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty. The Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty is a powerhouse vacuum crafted for pet owners who demand both convenience and performance. Its specialized fur fins tool lifts and removes stubborn pet hair from upholstery and tight spaces, while the odor neutralizer system keeps your home fresh by neutralizing smells from dander and dirt. Shark's Duo Clean Detect nozzle, featuring dual brush rolls, ensures deep cleaning on hard floors and carpets with edge-to-edge precision. The intelligent PowerDetect system automatically boosts suction when heavy debris or pet hair is detected, while the auto empty system stores up to 45 days worth of dust and fur, making daily emptying unnecessary. With Direction Detect for smoother motion, a multi-flex wand for under furniture reach, and an impressive 70-minute runtime, this model provides unmatched accessibility and endurance. Combined with its self-charging dock and smart adaptability, the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty simplifies pet cleanup with power, hygiene, and effortless control. Ideal for any pet-filled household. Number 1. Dyson Gen5 outsize. The Dyson Gen5 outsize represents the ultimate evolution of cordless vacuums, engineered for large homes and demanding users who value power and precision. Equipped with a 150% larger bin and a 25% wider cleaner head, it covers more area in fewer passes, reducing cleaning time dramatically. Its next-generation digital motor spins at 135,000 revolutions per minute to generate exceptional suction, lifting fine dust and pet hair from any surface while maintaining consistent performance through radial root cyclone technology. 3 smart modes: Auto, Eco, and Boost allow the vacuum to adapt power intelligently, extending runtime up to 140 minutes in Eco mode. The digital motor bar. Extra large head prevents hair tangles, complemented by a hair screw tool ideal for furniture and cars. A fully washable HEPA filtration system captures microscopic allergens, keeping your air cleaner as you vacuum. With its large capacity, powerful suction, and intuitive design, the Dyson Gen5 outsize combines innovation and convenience into one elite cleaning system, setting the gold standard for modern cordless vacuums. So that's it for the best cordless vacuums of the year. If you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments down below. We'd love to hear which model worked best for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever we drop our latest reviews and home tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.